Hi friends, myself Vinayak Bhagwat, chemistry lecturer. I am started Win Chemistry YouTube channel to share chemistry for PU students. If you like, please share and support. Thank you. I want to teach haloalkane and haloarine chapter, one of the important chapter in second PUC. First, I want to discuss haloalkane and then haloarine. Okay, first we discuss haloalkane. Yes, haloalkanes are the derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Okay, haloalkanes are the derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. They are formed by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen. Replacement of hydrogen by halogen. Haloalkanes are the derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon formed by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen. Now I am taking a simple example, methane, CH4. It belongs to alkane. You know the formula of methane is CH4. Now I want to replace this hydrogen by halogen. Okay, I want to replace hydrogen by halogen. Halogen is indicated by X. X is the general symbol to indicate the halogens. Okay, in the group number 17 periodic table, they are belongs to halogen. Chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are all the halogen. Now I want to replace one of its hydrogen by halogen. Then the compound becomes haloalkane. See here, I am replacing this hydrogen by halogen. One hydrogen is replaced by one halogen. Then if I want to replace one more hydrogen, it is also possible. Okay, now I am here replacing this hydrogen by halogen. See here, it is also a haloalkane. The main condition in haloalkane is the replacement of hydrogen by halogen. It is the main condition in haloalkanes. Yeah, the definition of haloalkanes is they are the derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon formed by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen. Okay, once again I am tell you the definition of haloalkane is they are the derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon replaced by the hydrogen by halogen. Next move on to the haloarine. Yeah, these are the derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon. These are the derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. Derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon. In first PUC, we know this point. The aliphatic hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon, we are already know this concept. Okay. Haloarenes are the derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon. These haloarenes are formed by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen. The one more condition is hydrogen must be replaced from the aryl group. Now I am take a simple example. See here, it is benzene. Okay, 6 identical hydrogen atoms are there. 6 identical hydrogen atoms are there. The haloarenes are formed when the replace of hydrogen atom by halogen atom. The hydrogen atom must be present on the aryl group. Here the 6 hydrogen atoms are there. They are attached to the aryl group. haloarenes are formed when we replace this hydrogen or any one of its hydrogen by one halogen. See here, I am replacing this hydrogen by halogen. Then the formed compound becomes haloarene. See, it is haloarene. In haloarene, the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. It is a doubly bonded carbon, so that the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. The simple definitions are, in haloalkane, they are the derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon formed by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen, and haloarenes are the derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon formed by the replacement of hydrogen of a aryl group by halogen atom. We already understand what are haloalkanes and what are haloarenes. And the next one is a simple question. Name the halogen, and halogen is attached to which type of carbon, which type of hybridized carbon. Okay, yes. I will give you a simple example. Yeah, see here. Name the halogen. Which halogen is attached here? Yeah, answer is simple. The halogen is chlorine, and this chlorine is attached to which type of hybridized carbon? Yes, the chlorine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, the halogen is chlorine and the chlorine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Next, I will give you one more example. Yeah, it is the chair form of cyclohexane. Yes. Yeah, the same question. Name the halogen. Which type of halogen is attached here? The answer is simple. The halogen is bromine. And this bromine is attached to which type of carbon? Which type of hybridized carbon? Yeah, the halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized. You know, if carbon making a double bond, then it is sp2. If carbon making a triple bond, then it is sp. If carbon making a single bond, then it is sp3 hybridized. So that in the second question, the halogen is bromine and the bromine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. The next question. Yeah. See here. In this compound, what's the halogen? Yeah, the halogen is iodine, and the iodine is attached to which type of carbon? Yeah, halogen is iodine, and this iodine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Halogen is iodine, and iodine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, it's one of the simple question. Okay, first try to understand the haloalkanes and haloarenes, the halogen compounds. These are all the halogen compound. Okay, group 17 belongs to halogen family. You know. Yes, I will give you one more example. Yes, see here. In this compound, the halogen is chlorine and chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized. Chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized. Yes, in this compound, in this compound the halogen is bromine. The bromine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. One of the simple question it is. Okay, try to understand. Next we will move on to the applications of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Applications. Haloalkane and haloarenes compounds are used in various industry. They are used as a solvent. Haloalkane and haloarenes compounds are used as a solvent. Okay, for example, the carbon tetrachloride CCl4. It is used as a solvent in many chemical reactions. During the organic synthesis, carbon tetrachloride is used as a solvent. And the next application is the haloalkanes and haloarenes compounds are used as a starting material. Used as a starting material. Used as a starting material in various chemical reactions or a organic synthesis. In organic synthesis, the haloalkane and haloarenes compounds are used as a starting material. And this haloalkanes and arenes plays an important role in our day-to-day life also. Our body secretes a thyroxine hormone. Okay, our body secretes a thyroxine hormone. It is a iodine contained hormone. Okay, this hormone is a iodine contained hormone. The deficiency of the iodine leads to the goiter disease. The deficiency of the iodine which leads to the goiter disease. The one of the important point in CET, this type of questions will be asked. The iodine contained hormone. Okay, the iodine contained hormone is thyroxine. The deficiency of the iodine which leads to the goiter disease. And the chloramphenicol, it is a chlorine contained one drug. Okay, it's a drug. It is used for an antibiotic for the typhoid fever. Okay, for the typhoid fever, the chloramphenicol is used as an antibiotic. And then synthetic compound, the chloroquine. The chloroquine is synthesized. The chloroquine. This chloroquine is used as a treatment for malaria. Okay, for treatment of malaria, the chloroquine is used. Chloroquine is used for the treatment of malaria. These are the important applications of haloalkanes and haloarenes.